अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं चिकन बिरयानी, मगर एक डिफरेंट तरीके से केरला स्टाइल बना रहे हैं। टू ट्राई इट आउट। ये पापड़ और रायते के साथ एक्सीलेंट। चलो शुरू करते हैं। एक हेवी बॉटम्ड पैन रखिए। ऐड 3 tomatoes चॉप्ड। आई हैव नॉट एडेड एनी ऑयल, बस इसमें एक 3 to 4 tablespoons ऑफ वाटर ऐड करिए जस्ट टू मेक द टोमेटोज सॉफ्ट. Cover and let it cook till the tomatoes become soft. When the tomatoes become soft, add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. That portion of the video got deleted, so please do add. Saute till the raw smell goes. Now add 4 green chilies crushed and saute for a minute or two. And then add a few chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. And now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and saute for a minute or two. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, mix well, and add 2 handfuls of fried onions. If you have already fried the onions and kept aside, well and good. Else, before starting the cooking, you can fry the onions and keep it aside. Add a little water if you find the masala sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now add the chicken pieces. I have taken half a kg of chicken with bones, biryani cut. For this masala, you can go up to 3/4 of a kg. My family eats less curry chicken. They prefer more of fried ones. Mix well and saute till the chicken changes color. Add half a glass of water. Cover and let the chicken cook till 90% done. When the chicken is half done, open the lid and add another handful of fried onions and a bit more of kothmeer and pudina leaves, mint and coriander leaves. Mix well. The chicken has to cook some more. Red chili powder is optional in this masala. You can always crush 2 more green chilies and add to the gravy. Add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Mix well, cover and cook till the chicken is 3/4 done. While the chicken is cooking, let's get the rice ready. Keep a vessel, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves, 3 to 4 cardamoms, and 1 bay leaf. Saute for a few seconds. Now add 3 glasses of water. This is for half a kg of rice. Now add 2 green chilies, coriander and mint leaves, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Cover and let it boil. Once the water boils, add half a kg of basmati rice. Zira rice bhi use kar sakte. You can make up to 750 grams of rice using this masala. Zira rice और basmati rice दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे हैं बिरयानी के लिए. Mix well, cover and cook till the rice is 90% done. Check in between. We are not straining the rice here. The rice has to remain moist, not completely dry. Cover and let it cook. Now let's get back to the masala. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well and switch off the flame. Now that the rice is also cooked, let's start the layering. Add a few raisins and cashews, half of the shown quantity, over the masala. Now add a few mint and coriander leaves, half a handful of fried onions. Now spread the entire rice over the masala. Rice smells simply aromatic because I've added ghee while cooking the rice. Now add the remaining cashews and raisins, mint and coriander leaves as well, and another half a handful of fried onions. So I've used a total of 4 handfuls of fried onions. Keep a pan underneath the vessel. Cover and leave it on dum for 20 minutes. Let's check. It's now 20 minutes. Steam is nicely coming out. The biryani is done. Now let's see how we have to serve this biryani. First, we have to remove the layer of rice to another container. You can remove to the same vessel in which you cook the rice in. Remove as much as you can. Now that the masala and the rice are separated, let's see how best we can remove the food to a serving dish. Fill up 3/4 portion of the serving dish with the rice and the remaining 1/4 area with the masala from the other dish. And so when you eat, you take a portion of rice and a portion of the masala, mix and enjoy. Chicken biryani Kerala style is now ready. Goes very well with raita and papadams. Do try it out. Ingredients, as always, mentioned in the description box. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.